Hello, this is Mari Lane on the Buying Space channel. I'm continuing to do an unboxing from Don and Mary. The box is very light. This is part 2. And here we have, I'm going to see if I can pull it out this way. We have metal storage containers. I may end up going ahead and splitting this box completely open, because these are so tightly fitting that I feel like I need to open up a side. I hate to do that because this cardboard has tape on it, and so it can't be recycled anymore, and it can't be used for storage, ironically, anymore. But I'm just going to go ahead and I will try to remove all the tape and recycle it. Depends upon if I have the time. So in this box we have 4 of these. This one got a little bit in shipping, but someone with a little bit more strength can straighten that out, not me. But I'll be able to do that. Maybe I can eat my spinach and I'll get to it. I don't know how these stack. Let's see. Yeah, you put the rib on top of each other. Maybe that can, or you could do it sideways easily. But I have 10 of these. I have this other box over here, which I'm going to attempt to open on camera. If it ends again, the video ends again, I'm just going to not make a part 3, because it would be absolutely no surprise what's in this box, the remainder of this box. So here we go. I think maybe some of my videos should be titled Myra Struggles with Shipping Materials. Maybe I should just eat spinach every morning for breakfast. All right, here are the other 6. So I ordered a total of 10 of these storage containers. And they hold CDs, DVDs, pretty much whatever you want to put in them. Excuse me. Thank you, Don and Mary. I really appreciate this. I needed some storage solutions, and these are great. All right, they're coming out now. And here are the other 4 in like a cube. Very nicely done. Thank you so much. You shipped efficiently. I just, because it had to be shipped to my physical address, I don't like giving that out. I just use my post office box anymore. If any of you have a physical address for me, other than the local people that have been to my house, or Don and Mary, please do not use it. And Don and Mary have sworn to secrecy, and the local people, not to give out my physical address. I moved in February, and I'm just having everything sent to the post office box because, well, that's why I have it, is to have things shipped there. So there are 10 of these. Haven't decided where I'm going to put them in. Where I put them will dictate how they're going to be stacked. I haven't honestly decided what I'm going to put in them. I ordered some stackable card, baseball, football, whatever kind of card organizers from Patrick Murphy, and those ended up with jewelry in them. So maybe I'll put jewelry in some of these. Maybe it'll be a variety of stuff that ends up in these. It won't be CDs. I had 2 CD cabinets that went by the wayside when I moved. I had them for like 25 years, and it was full, and I gave away most of my DVDs and CDs to charity. So I don't have enough, unfortunately, to even fill these. But I've ordered some more DVDs from Nana Tinks, and that's what we'll be doing Halloween. That's what we did last Halloween. We had all of the Shrek videos, and we watched those over Halloween. So as I complete the rest of my Amazon unboxing, which I don't show on video, I might just fill whatever comes out of the boxes I have right here. And they can be used to transport things back and forth until I have a permanent solution as to what I'm going to use them for. But I have plenty of need for them. So have a wonderful and blessed day, everyone. And Dawn and Mary, thank you so much.